we want to see? You want to see over 200, right? We want to see where 200 comes across. So why don't we make it bump up to something like that? What are you thinking?
I just put 300.
Put 300? I love this idea. Why don't we make the Y max 300? Because that'll get us 200. And then at the Y min, I tempted to put 100, but I want to see the 100 come up. Hey, what the hell? Let's put 100 in.
Why not 50?
Or 50.
It's 50.
I'm totally down with that. I love your guys' ideas. Keep them coming. This scale, this is completely up to you to change. All this is going to change is how often you see a tick mark on the axis. When the numbers get this big, I tend to make it fairly large too. It has no effect at all on what the graph does, just on what you're seeing on the y-axis. So I tend to make it a little bit larger. Up to you. You don't have to if you don't want to. How about x? What do you think x should be? What is x, by the way?
Number of years since 1915.
Years since 1915. So if I make x equals 0, that's really 1915, isn't it? I'm going to start there to do with you guys. Is that okay? If I start at x equals 0, now, and then maybe go up to 100 to see what actually does happen 100 years later in 2015, right? Let's see what actually does happen in 2015. So let's put 100 in there, and I'll scale that by tens. Because 2015 is right around the corner.